Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to parlay on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, it will take you to this website. Now on this website, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this login button, then enter your login credentials, then press on this login button. Once you have done so, you'll be logged into your account. Now, all you have to do is go to this sports section, then select any sports. For example, I'll just select basketball. Then you'll have to select any matches. Once you have selected the match that you would like to bet on this bar, you will see an option, same game parlay, click on it. Now, let me explain you how to do it. To make this a parlay bet, all you need to do is make at least one other selection. So, now your bet slip contains at least 2 games. You can then enter your wager amount where it says 2-team parlay under the parlay option header, and then click on the yellow place bet button. Once you have placed your bet slip will change to show that your bet has been placed. It will confirm your selections and give you a bet reference number at the top. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.